Hello, this is Pooja from EDETAC Learning. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can prepare MEP layout through the Revit MEP software. So as you can see, this is a 3D industrial layout which I prepared in Revit software. So here you can see cable tray layout and plumbing layout. So through this software you can prepare HVAC ducting and firefighting layouts also. So you can coordinate all the disciplines together. So as a MEP engineer or mechanical or electrical design engineer or project manager, you can learn this software and design the MEP layout very efficiently. And in this course we are not only teach you software but will teach you designing part, where you learn HVAC ducting sizing, heat load calculation, lighting selection, cable tray sizing, cable sizing, and plumbing sizing also, and civil layout sizing also. So this is a sectional view of that layout. So through this section view you can also see floor wise design. So if there is any interruption of cable routing by HVAC ducting or plumbing, so you can correct it also, and you can show this sectional view to the clients for the presentation, so that they can visualize the design, and also you can show it to site engineers for the. You can also see the civil layouts in sectional view also. This is a 2D layout of cable tray which I prepared in Revit. This is a 2D layout of HVAC ducting. So you can coordinate all this in 2D also. This is a 3D layout of HVAC ducting of the same plant which I showed before. So this is a 2-floor building. In ground floor I prepared HVAC ducting and supply and return air terminal design. This is a civil structural layout. So as a civil engineer you will design architectural and structural design. So we'll teach you all the designs. This is a power layout drawing. So here you can design lighting fixtures and cable tray. You can also select conduit as per client requirement. This is a 3D model layout of the same 2D layout. This one. So this is actually a warehouse building where I design only lighting and cable routing. Here you can see. So you can select lighting or cable routing as per client. This is another industry layout where I only prepared the lighting. So in this section box you can see properly see the lighting design. In Revit software, there are many options in library. If you are designing any civil layout, so you can find many building material options, brick options, wall or door windows options. And if you are designing electrical layout, so you'll find many options for lighting fixtures like recessed, surface lighting, pendant lighting, and cable tray options. Here you can see this is a power distribution board, so you can supply power to all the buildings. So in this video I'm just showing you in the introduction of about this course, and I can request you only that please go to the description box and visit the website and enroll for the course, and you will find many other courses also, so you can select it as per your requirement, and you will find it very beneficial for your career. So thanks for the watching, and please like and subscribe the channel.